Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt, and we're back in the Tandy kitchen again. And I've got my helper today, Sandy Asher. Well, as you know, or maybe you don't know, today is National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. So Sandy and I are going to make some homemade peanut butter and jelly. It's going to be exciting. So just stay tuned as we get this going. We're stomping the grapes right now to make the jelly. So you see the recipe?
Wow.
Pretty good. Mm-hmm. That's what we got here. Let's go with the peanuts. Put a few on each piece of bread. And there's your butter. You gotta kind of smush it up and push it into the peanuts real good. Have you done this before?
Yeah, a few times.
Have you? You make your own peanut butter? Okay. Oh, that's looking good. Look at that. Is that looking awesome? We need the grapes. Okay. This is going to be the fun part. Oh, this is bad. Oh, but it looks like it's going to be really good. Get the grapes on the peanut butter. Look, mine's looking pretty good. We need a little bourbon, you know, a little Kentucky touch to it. Oh, that's good. Let's get mine. And you always leave just a little. Wow. Okay, well, Sandy, don't these look delicious?
They do. They look excellent.
Can you see that? I think we should go ahead and try them out.
Okay. Best I've ever had.
I hope you enjoyed our episode with the National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, because I know we did. So, look for us in Atlanta at the Modex show on April 9th through the 12th in booth B2147. And we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thank you. Grape jelly. And I think it was the mix of the purple and green grape.